You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, and a blind spot monitoring system. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.